What's going on YouTube and cryptocurrency family? My name is Harry and I am the Crypto Vet, and thank you so much for tuning back in. I really appreciate everybody. I've almost doubled my subscribers in one damn day. Thank you guys so much. I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the video today. I'm just gonna go over the Discord a little bit because I'm adding stuff to this thing every day. I'm taking requests from comments, adding new little text channels with screenshots of TA and everything like that. Shout out to crypto. Let me just go to the thing. Let's see, where's that at? Right there. Let's go to the Discord. Shout out to Crypto Monkey 707. Me and him have been chatting the past couple hours. He found a couple coins that he wanted me to look into, and I'm actually going to put them in the video today because they were awesome. And also, I've included Tezos, Ocean, and Doc. Ocean and Doc are what I'm going to go over today, but they are in the Discord now. Tezos was brought to me by, I believe it was Crypto Rich, requested to go over Tezos. I'll double check here to make sure, but I said thank you to everybody. I really appreciate the Discord is 100% free. Come in, chat, hang out, check out my technical analysis. I'm updating them every day, so everything that I cover in the videos is going to be kind of like a little synopsis, but you know, as I see new things develop, I chart it, take a screenshot, post it on there, type out a little bit of my thoughts. So you know, if you want to be updated to the max, the Discord's the best way. But then again, you know, please like, subscribe, leave your comments, so that way we can you know, keep this channel going and we can all beat this crypto market together. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. And we'll go ahead and head to CoinMarketCap. And right now, Bitcoin is kind of coming back up. Earlier, it was about 11.5. We're hitting back up. Everything's been kind of trading sideways. There's been a couple of things that have had more gains than others, but overall, we're just kind of deciding whether or not we're going to go up or go down. So here's the Bitcoin chart. I have it on the 4-hour right now. I thought this was the best visualization of where we're at. And I'll zoom in a little bit. Let's see. There we go. And we can see right now that Bitcoin is now kind of forming a bigger ascending triangle, a kind of a bigger flag. Before we had it right around here, we broke through, then we had a flash crash down, and then we've been forming this little W pattern, which was bullish, came up, we found this next resistance line here off of the previous high that we had in the short term. And you can see right now that Bitcoin is actually, we'll zoom in, is trying to break through that line right now. So we could potentially turn this resistance line into support, and that could be our launch pad for us to go up. But right now we're just going to kind of have to wait and see. You know, more and more interest is coming to the space. Lots of people are not wanting the US dollar because it's kind of it's getting printed out of nowhere, so it's going to be worthless soon, unfortunately. I also included in the Discord a brief view on the S&P 500 as well as current unemployment levels and the decrease in GDP of the United States. So if you're not from the US and you don't really kind of get that news, just hop in the Discord and I'll keep you updated on that kind of info because that's really important. The global economy is based off of the US dollar. So if the US dollar goes to dog shit, something's got to take its place. So, you know, and if most of your assets and whatnot are, if you don't have assets and you just have a certain currency, fiat currency, you know, that's real important to know if your money is going to be worthless soon. So that's it for Bitcoin. I'll keep you updated if I find anything, and I'll do an emergency video if something crazy happens. If we go over to Ethereum, same thing. I'm still very, very bullish on Ethereum, specifically because there's just so much fundamentals behind it. And right now, if we have this ascending channel, we formed a perfect little pennant, symmetrical triangle, pennant, continuation pattern, whatever you want to call it. And you know, we trade sideways here, we can bring this RSI down, and we can keep the MACD on top. And you know, there's lots and lots of room for Ethereum to grow. Our all-time high was, you know, around $1,200. We're currently sitting at just under 400, which is where our last resistance was. So I'm still very bullish on Ethereum, still very bullish on Bitcoin until the charts say otherwise. So like I said, back to Bitcoin, if we fall below this support line here, I will go back to bullish. As long as we don't get a drop, if we drop below this line, it's not that I'm going to go straight to bearish. It just depends on if we get picked up somewhere, you know. Lots of volume down here, you know. If we fall down, fill that CME gap that's in this area here, and then come back up, it's still bullish, right? We're still going to go up. We just had to have that correction to make the market be satisfied. So same with Ethereum. We're forming this perfect little launch pad to go up some more. So as long as everything keeps trading sideways, we'll bring these oscillators down. We'll be in a safer space for a nice moonshot. Okay, so XRP looks almost exactly like Ethereum, right? We're on the daily here versus the daily on Ethereum, daily on XRP. I brought up this fib retracement here just to show you that we have dropped down below the 0.236, but we are still in a very nice symmetrical triangle here. So we've had a good little pump here in the last couple hours, but you know, we're going to be right here until it makes a decision. So you know, I still love XRP to death. I'm going to hold this for a long time just because I believe in this coin a lot. So we're just going to be here waiting to see. So as far as the two coins that I wanted to talk about, these were both brought up to me by CryptoMonkey707. So thank you so much for bringing these up. I do think that both of these projects are very good. You know, right now may not be the best time to buy, only because they've already had kind of a small hype cycle. And something I haven't brought up in my other videos is that if Bitcoin goes up, most of these are on a trading pair with Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin goes up, it's going to lower those down a little. So you know, if we think that Bitcoin is going to go up, but we also like this other coin that might be, you know, in a FOMO state right now, it could be beneficial to wait for Bitcoin to go up, thus bringing the price of the other coin down, and then that may be a better time to buy in, so that way you're not buying in at a higher price. But then again, that doesn't mean it has to happen that way. It's just the thought, because as Bitcoin goes up, it brings the other ones down. But once Bitcoin, you know, tops out at say 13 or 14,000, and it cools off again, that's the time when that coin is going to pump up. So, you know, you could sell some Bitcoin up here, take a little bit of profits, because you know it may go down a little, sideways trading. That could be the time to buy the altcoins, wait for them to pump, and then as Bitcoin starts to go up, and you think the altcoin may be tapped out, you sell a little bit of the altcoin for something like Bitcoin so it can go up. Timing that can be really difficult, but if you're just taking profits, it's all you're doing is adding to how much you have in your crypto bag. So just a little thought. But the first one I want to go into is DOC. So DOC is a coin that's basically trying to do like a professional like Instagram or not Instagram, LinkedIn. So that way you would have to, let's see here, where was that? Yeah, DOC is an interesting project that is trying to give users control over their digital credentials. So take everything that you have about yourself and like not your driver's license, but your identity as it is. So I'm a veterinarian. I specifically do mostly surgery. However, I also do general practice and you know, just primary care medicine on dogs. I don't mess much with, you know, very hard like internal medicine or neurology, things like that. I stick to the surgeries that I know how to do, and I stick to just general medicine. So that could be linked to specifically to me, and nobody else could be me. So it would just make your identity, and all of this would be, you know, stored on the blockchain. And then, you know, to get this certain token, you know, you'd have to do your professional history would be linked on this token, like your background and all that. So I think it's a really interesting project. I have this link in the Discord, as well as I'll put it in the description on the video. But if we look at DOC just from a technical analysis aspect, we can see that it has a pretty long history from September of 2019 to now, and that we are currently in this ascending channel right now, and we broke out of that ascending channel. And if we go down to, like, say the 4 hour, we can see that it could be potentially forming a little pennant, just like everything has been. You know, most of our TA right now has been showing the same thing, because everything in crypto is pretty bullish right now. You know, everybody's wanting to know what the new big thing is going to be, and right now the internet of money and the internet of finance is that big thing. So I'm very bullish on this, but just said if Bitcoin goes up, we could definitely see this coming back down, and hopefully it gets caught on the top of this channel as support. But DOC is a very interesting project for you to look at. Ways to buy it and things like that will all be in the Discord, because I want to keep these videos a little bit shorter, so that way you're not just hearing me ramble on. If you want to hear me ramble on, I will just go into it. Like I said, my last video was 45 minutes on how to pick your own altcoins. So my ass will definitely talk as much as you want, but I want to get you quick videos. And then today is Saturday, August 8th. So, you don't want to hear that much on a Saturday, right? So this is Doc. Definitely look into this. We're going to keep it updated on the Discord so we can track how it does, but a very, very cool, interesting project. Next one is Ocean Protocol. So Ocean Protocol uses AI to utilize data without compromising privacy, and is really, really, really cool. I read the whole white paper earlier this evening, and you can see that it's already gone through a hell of a little pump cycle here twice. The chart almost looks kind of like V-chain, where it's just going up, pump, going up, stopping, going up. So I put a fib retracement tool back here, and this is on the 4-hourly chart, and we can see that we kind of found resistance at the 0 fib here, and then now we're looking to see it as support. And right before I started this video, we were right here, and then boom, it came right back down. But it's finding good support here, so this is definitely a coin to check out. Not much data on it overall, but the technical analysis seems very, very bullish. So this is something that could be worth a lot in the future. And just to give you a better idea of what Ocean Protocol does, let's say that you are an automotive driving company, and in order to do that, so this exact example is in their white paper. It's for proprietary data of autonomous vehicles. So it's saying that the RAND Corporation calculated that 500 billion to 1 trillion miles need to be driven to get AI models accurate enough for production deployment of these vehicles. Well, let's say you're Ford, we have Chevy, Tesla, Nissan, Toyota, all of them. Would each one of those companies have to do their own research and development and drive 500 billion miles in testing vehicles? Well, no, they could actually work together. So all of their data could be put together and utilized through the Ocean Protocol. Well, Tesla doesn't want them to know about what their proprietary data is. Ford wouldn't want them to know. So what they could do is they could actually just sell the data itself using the Ocean Protocol. So none of the actual information that doesn't need to leave would ever leave Ford or Tesla. They would get to keep all of their privacy. The only data that would be sent across the blockchain would just be the results after the AI computed the data. So in the end, none of their information would ever leave, just the results of the data after being utilized by the artificial intelligence. Thus, we could actually take leaps and bounds in our research and development, because people will get to work together without fucking arguing all the time, because everybody's just greedy and wants money. But this would be a way that they could actually pay for that specific data to be utilized, and then there'd be no risk for privacy. It's a really interesting read. I definitely love AI. AI will probably be the death of us all, but for now we might as well try to utilize it as best we can. So I included the white paper in the description, and then also there's more TA and token metrics on both Doc and Ocean, all in the Discord. So that's actually going to do it for today. Again, thank you guys so much for liking, subscribing, joining the Discord. I've had a blast doing this, and if you do have a question, and you put it in there, I'm pretty damn fast because I don't have anything better to do, and I'm only doing this, reading, or I'm just playing video games on Twitch, so streaming on Twitch. So just let me know what you think. Again, Discord is free, so please don't be scared to go in there. Nobody is going to make fun of you if you don't know anything about crypto. I love to answer questions, and I'm doing this for you guys. So thanks again. If I can get up to 100 subscribers, I will start giving away probably about 100 XRP a week, just because I want to spread the love and show you guys I really appreciate it. And I think XRP is going to be crazy in the future. So with this giveaway, I could be distributing a tremendous amount of wealth in a small amount right now, but be worth a lot later. So, again, if you can like and subscribe, I will start giving away XRP and like Ledger Nano S's and all that stuff as soon as I can get up to about 100 subscribers. So, but thanks again. You guys take it easy.